Now to a coverage of the devastating flood disaster in Maiduguri. The founder and chief executive of Dangote Group, Aliko Dangote, was earlier today in the state capital to commiserate with government and the people of Borno State over the incident. He was in the state alongside Governor of Nasarawa State, Abdullahi Sule, and a delegation from NNPC Limited. Aliko Dangote announced a donation of over 1 billion naira to the National Emergency Management Agency and another 1 billion naira to the state government to provide succor for victims of the flood. The NNPC delegation also donated some truckloads of food items and medical supplies to victims.
So the flood committee have agreed that NEMA wrote us a letter who says we're aware, but we will give, we sat down, we approved 1 billion naira to work with the Borno State government. And then on top of that, Dangote Foundation also put another 500 million, so that's 1.5 billion. This is clarification. Aliko Dangote is making a donation of 1 billion naira to and is also given to Borno State Direct another 500 million naira for support to some of these people. And as I was telling you earlier on, there are trunks of food items which Nasarawa State government also has procured. They have already started arriving here in Borno, but my father, the Emir of Lafia, is going to be a delegation on Monday. That's when he will deliver the food items also to you on behalf of the Nasarawa State government. So may Allah Almighty continue to protect you, to guide you, and to support the people of Borno State.
And the Deputy Governor of Gombe State, Manasseh Daniel, also visited Governor Babagana Zulum to sympathize with the government and the people of the state over the flood disaster. He said they are there at the instance of the governor who's out of the country on an official trip. The Gombe State government also presented a check of 100 million naira to the Borno State government.
I have always said that there is no organization anywhere on earth that doesn't have challenges. It is when the effective leader overcome those challenges that will say this is effective, and the one that cannot overcome challenges is ineffective. Problems are part of us. We are praying to God on that to give you the wisdom, the resources to alleviate the suffering of those that were affected by this calamity.
And the World Health Organization says the impact of the recent flood disaster in Maiduguri, which displaced many communities and left over 30 people dead, has also cut off 14 health facilities, affecting some laboratories and leaving many communities without access to healthcare services. Speaking during an on-the-spot assessment of the situation, WHO Country Representative in Nigeria, Dr. Walter Mulumbo, says the health body has pledged its support to the Borno State government. He commended the state government for showing leadership and responding quickly to the situation, adding that there is a coordinated response to the crisis.
The communities here need more support, so we are here to assess the need and to see how we can contribute to what the state government is already doing. And I'd like to take this opportunity to really commend the Executive Governor of Borno State for his leadership, and to commend my brother, the Commissioner for Health, for what they've done so far. They've been very fast in responding, and we came here to tell them that we are here to support them.
There are immediate needs, and there are medium-term needs, and there are long-term needs. Immediate is to provide shelter to these people and food, and immediate is to provide the healthcare services. And in the long run, we have to look at this issue, why this water, the dam either broke down or why we did not cope.